Hi everyone, in today's video we will be checking out the Kiwi Ears Ardor ANC headphones. It is a ANC headphone which features active noise cancellation and long battery life. The packaging looks professional and attractive. Let us check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, users will find one Kiwi Ears headphone pouch which allows me to store the headphone securely inside. Next out is one Kiwi Ears Ardor headphone. Also included is a user guide to guide users on product operation. An audio cable is also included if you want to connect to an audio source by cable. A USB-C charging cable is included to help you charge up your headphone. All packed nicely in the product packaging. On first impressions, the Kiwi Ears headphone look nice and modern in design. The materials on it feels durable to the touch. It has soft padded cushioned ear cups which feel very soft and comfortable when I press onto it. It even has a padded material on the headband so I won't feel discomfort when wearing it on my head. Ergonomic design. There is a USB-C charging port for users to charge up the headphone. Also an ANC mode button is built onto it so I can change between ANC mode for full quietness during my use or transparent mode which allows me to hear what is going on outside. Let us power it on by holding down the power button until the LED light indicator turn on. There is volume control keys where I can adjust the headphone volume up or down when in use. An audio cable port is built in for me to connect to an audio source via cable if I want to. Good range of features on it. Now let us connect to it wirelessly via Bluetooth. It has Bluetooth 5.4 which is a good version of Bluetooth connection. It quick and simple with my smartphone device. Now let us try it out and check out the quality of the audio. During use, I can use it to enjoy video or games and music. It has premium dual driver system to ensure my music is being played nicely and in clear clarity with bass. With active noise cancellation I can enjoy the music even when I am in a crowded train as noise is filtered out. The durable build quality with metal bands allow for good flexibility and fit when I wear on the headphone. I also like the long battery life it has. It can play back music without ANC up to 140 hours which is very long. Amazing! Overall I find the Kiwi Ears Ardor ANC headphone a wonderful and good headphone with amazing sound quality and durability. It allows me to enjoy games, music and videos with ease even on a busy subway with its ANC capabilities. If you want to find out more about the headphones, check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.